Hi guys, and welcome back to my basement. Today, as you can see, is not a drone video, and I have my beautiful Beatrice.
Hi!
And I don't know if you can see, but we bought a lot of stuff to make rice, because we are in quarantine and we cannot go to the restaurant. So she wanted some real good sushi,
Yes.
and we were like, why not make it? And still we went to the store, and as you can see, we tried to find all the components to make sushi. But here in Italy, it's really hard, because first of all, it's quarantine, second of all, it's not traditional food, and basically they don't sell much stuff. So I found 2 pieces of nori seaweed, which is like not enough. Yet we managed to find some sushi rice right here. We have some kind of smoked salmon right here, and she's really a fan of it.
Yes. Some surimi and Philadelphia.
Some other smoked salmon or another kind of it.
Vinegar apple.
And they are probably the only real ingredient for sushi we have right here.
Tuna.
Nice, I found some real tuna, and this is
Mamma,
this smells like real, you know.
quanto smell.
And this is safe to eat for sushi, like you can eat it this raw. All the other stuff, I don't know.
Ah, also an avocado and
Oh yeah, of course. We have soy sauce finally. It was hard to find this.
I love it.
And then I found some ginger flakes. I snagged them to the sushi machine, and a couple of sticks.
And also mayonnaise in the fridge.
Yeah, we have also mayonnaise, freshly made mayonnaise. So, oh yeah, of course.
Ah,
I managed to find some old mats right here to make sushi.
yes.
And we also have canned tuna. And I already tried this many times for sushi. This is amazing. You mix it with Philadelphia. Perfect.
Panache l'avevo detto.
And also, I have sour cream. Which you might wonder, why sour cream for sushi? This is Old Del Paso, this is Mexican stuff. Because my idea is to fry some rolls. And I found that with this sour cream, it's really good. And she's a sushi addicted.
Yeah.
I fry everything, like everything really. So, sushi is gonna get fried. So, first thing first, we gotta open the rice and measure 500 grams, because always follow the instructions they give you. And now we gotta wash the rice until the water gets clean, because it will be dirty of starch at the beginning.
For 5 or 6 times we need to wash the rice.
And you see the water is like white, because all the starch is getting released now. And now we cleaned it like 35,000 times. It says 5, but it wasn't clear. Now, as you can see, the water is clear. We can finally... Okay, no, we don't have to drain it actually. We have to leave the rice for 15 minutes like this.
Bene. Gnocco.
So, now we have to make, with this professional pan, we have to make like teriyaki sauce to... Where are you pointing the camera?
On the teriyaki.
We,
On the soya.
we have to... Can you hold the camera straight, please? And now we have to make some kind of teriyaki like sauce, like the dense one you put on the sushi when it's done. And soy sauce is not dense enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some sugar, soy sauce, and a little bit of vinegar, and we're gonna mix them together until the soy sauce gets more dense. And that's it.
Yummy.
Okay, so you cut your pan with some sugar. You add your soy sauce on top. I'm gonna make so much sauce. I didn't realize I was gonna finish my soy sauce. So how do you open this?
You are a professional chef.
How do you even open it? Ah.
Stop.
And look at this super dense teriyaki sauce. It's amazing. Can't wait to eat it. Ready?
Yes.
Ah!
Che scemo. Amore, non fa sti urli però.
Jesus.
Ma perché sta troppo inserito. Non mi deve far male.
Ok. Oh!
Yeah, great. Perfect, hops. Oh my god.
Fruit Ninja. And now the rice is cooking. It has to cook for like 12 minutes, and then we need to add this compound we made with vinegar and sugar.
Non si vede bene.
And now it's time to make sushi.
Woo!
Rice is cold.
Grassetto, grassetto.
We have a bowl of vinegary water, so we dip our hands and the rice doesn't stick. You have to leave a lip so the thing closes up. Then you put your salmon in. Then you dip your finger and you do like this, like a post, you know?
Cuscettino, salmone, avocado, surimi, salmone. Dove sta? C'è pure il tonno, vediamo come viene. Philadelphia e tanto riso, mezzo chilo per 2 persone, mi sembra abbastanza.
And then you can close the roll like this. Okay, good enough.
Now I try heat. Can I try?
Yes. So now we're gonna make the best thing ever. We're gonna take this roll with tuna and Philadelphia. We're gonna coat it in flour, and then we're gonna dip it in butter, and then inside the oil. Devi lasciare che la gravità faccia il suo corso.
Teriyaki e in bocca. Te lo mangi? Cotto e mangiato. Partire? Sto gatto, amore, sto gatto mo ci si mangia tutto, eh.
So, moral of the story. We are not angry anymore because we took like 5 hours to make all of this. And it's almost midnight. We don't want to eat anymore. And there is a lot of stuff on the plates.
Yeah.
Yeah, but at least we have lunch tomorrow.
Yeah, or breakfast.
Breakfast.
Brunch.
So, that's all for today. Another not very well executed experiment. Bye. we are dragged with Stay safe and happy flying.
Hi droni.